Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm giving you guys this gorgeous look. We're really focused on the eyes because my camera died, so you guys would not be able to see like the lips and the face, but you will see the foundation and the concealer I use. And I will let you guys know the products I use at the end of the video, and I'll make sure to have it at the description box down below. But I'm feeling this look. This orange combo with this burgundy combo is gorgeous. I love it so much, and I still wanted to give you guys a video for today, but you guys really wanted to see this eye look because you guys took a poll on my Instagram, and I asked you guys, did you want to see the Huda one or did you want to see the Morphe? And a lot of you guys voted for the Morphe, so I was like, let me go ahead, and I'm feeling this look. You guys will see my mini review at the end of this video. I love you guys so much, and if you guys want to see this look, stay tuned. Okay, so first we're going to start by pinning my hair up. So I'm just going to take this regular clip and just pin my hair back because we do not want to get any kind of makeup in our hair whatsoever while we're filming. And I purchased these earrings from Claire's or Forever 21, just to let you guys know. So first we're going to start off with our P.Louise Base in the shade 4. I'm going to use my ColourPop E3 brush. So now I'm going to take my Morphe palette. This is the 35M Boss Mood palette, and you guys, this palette is so freaking adorable. Like, it's so pretty. It screams fall, but you can use this in here. And they have the names on this, like, I don't know what to call it. And then this is the palette. Using orange shades today because I want more of an orange shade today. And I'm going to put that in the crease. And I'm just going to take my Morphe M441 brush. And I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush. Now I'm going to do a semi-cut crease, and I'm going to use the Morphe M421 brush. Now I'm going to take my Real Techniques Instapop shadow brush to blend this outer one and to blend the top. Take this orange shade right here, and I'm going to put that on the lid. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and I'm going to spray. Like, the eye is already, you don't need water, but I'm going to do it anyway. Now since our eyes are done, we're going to go in with our mascara. I'm going to use the Maybelline MakeupShayla Big Shot Mascara. Now I'm going to use the lashes by More Lashes by Tiffany, and these are in the style D20, and these were a pair of her free lashes, and yeah, So if you guys really want to get some of her lashes, I'll make sure to have the link down below because her lashes are amazing, very affordable. And if I do have a link, like a coupon code or anything, I'll make sure to have it down in the description box as well for you guys. I want to go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light in the shade 50. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer. Next, I'm going to use my Anastasia foundation stick in the shade Espresso. And to blend my foundation, I'm going to take the Pro Flawless Airbrush Foundation Brush from Sephora. So now I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. So now I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I just ordered the Beauty Bakery flour powder and I can't wait to get it. I've only heard like great things about it, so I was like, let me give another powder a try. So the bad news, my camera died when I was doing my highlighter, so I'm going to let you guys know everything that I used on my face. So I did the lower lash line with the Big Shot mascara. And for my waterline, I used the Sephora Colorful Shadow and Liner, and it's waterproof in the shade 33. And then for my face, I used the Morphe highlighter, and this is what it looks like. And this is the name, if you can see. And then I went into my Karity Blush Balm Coral Kaboom, and I used this shade right here. For my bronzer, I used the Anastasia bronzer in Mahogany. And what else? I think in the powder I used was my Sephora powder, my Sephora micro powder in the shade Mahogany, deep Mahogany. And then on my lips, I use the ColourPop I Love Sarah collaboration, and this is in Mamacita, and this is the lip. And then I set my face with Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm so upset that none of that recorded, but the most important thing were the eyes, because you guys really wanted to see that palette. So yeah, so please don't be mad at me. I'll make sure to have pictures on Instagram, so make sure you guys follow my Instagram so you can see what was what. Also, don't forget to check the description box down below, because I will have like face, lips, and eyes and I will have the products listed down there for you guys. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I highly recommend the palette. The palette is gorgeous. It blends like a dream. So I say get your hands on the palette because y'all, my eyes, like, this is gorgeous. So I highly recommend the 35M Boss Mood palette because it's lit. It retails for $24, I believe, at your local Ulta. I purchased mine at Ulta. It looks so much better in person. You can also use a coupon at Ulta. You can use the 20% off or the $3.50 off. And also you can use your like money off if you have an Ulta account. But I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.